Hi, I'm ANIRUDH. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I completed my bachelor's degree in B.Tech AI and Data Science in Chennai Sri Sairam Engineering College. And I'm from Tamil Nadu, and I came here to Bengaluru to join JSPIDERS Basavanagudi. I joined Java full stack development in the month of June in 2025. And I took the course where they taught me Java, SQL, and web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And where I have since I have done my bachelor's degree in Python, which is about data science, so I have done in Python. And now here I'm with a zero knowledge in Java, and I joined here with to learn. I'm eager in learning Java since many MNC companies expect Java, so I thought of learning Java and came here, and I got from zero to implementing real-time projects. I got that much of knowledge, and and I joined FSDI in the month of in the end of October, and I have scheduled with 4 companies, and for each company there was a grooming session where it was very useful, and so where it is very useful to clear the company. Thank you trainees, and thank you HR.